Bladen County Animal Shelter is full to capacity. Due to Hurricane Matthew, they've had to take in an extra 14 dogs. October is Adopt a Shelter Dog Month. They've waived the adoption fees if you would like to adopt a dog. If you're missing an animal, check with the shelter. Also, if you'd like to donate to the shelter, please bring blankets, dog toys, and treats. They've had an outpouring of food but really need the extra supplies. And it's also tax deductible. So keep in mind, if you're looking for a companion, check the Bladen County Animal Shelter.